Thunder rolls in my ears, steel in hand, no room for fears. Marching onward through the haze, battle cries lights up the blaze. Midnight shadows start to fall, heeding now the duty's call. Armor's weight is no disguise, in this war no room for lies. Raining the fire from above, clashing weapons test our resolve. Echoes of the past remain, on these fields we play the game. Trenches side by side, different foes we cannot hide. Blazing trails through endless nights, victory's our guiding light. Under fire we advance, in this deadly wartime dance. No surrender, no retreat, hearts of iron won't concede. Many lives we fought and bled, countless battles in our head. Every step we can't rewind, waging war with hearts aligned. Raining the fire from above, clashing weapons test our resolve. Echoes of the past remain, on these fields we play the game. From above, clashing weapons test our resolve. Echoes of the past remain, on these fields we play the game.